having a baby or not having a baby. This is a personal choice. But if you have already decided to have a baby, what is the right time to have a baby? This is what we are going to discuss today. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aarti Rapol. I am a fertility and IVF consultant. I consult at Pune, Maharashtra. In women, we are all born with fixed number of eggs in our ovaries, and these eggs gradually go down irreversibly as we age. The number of the eggs go down faster in the late 30s and early 40s. So much so that by the age of 45 to 46, natural pregnancy is unlikely. So what is the right age when your fertility is the highest? Scientifically speaking, the fertility is highest in women in 20s. But we cannot have a baby in the early 20s naturally because most of the girls are studying. They are not settled professionally, neither they are settled financially. Nowadays, we see a lot of women getting married in their late 20s. After they get married, then they want to explore the chances of pregnancy and then have a baby, maybe in the early 30s or late 30s. But will that impact your fertility? Yes, it does, because the number of the eggs start declining faster in your late 30s. What about men? In men, however, the sperm parameters do not change much till the age of 50. So if you are a couple who want to have a baby but want to postpone pregnancy because of your financial or professional problems, better you have to consult a fertility doctor and get yourself checked. In women, we advise them to get a blood test called serum AMH done, which is anti-Mullerian hormone. Second, we advise a sonography which checks antral follicle count or the number of eggs in your ovaries. Depending upon this test result, the fertility doctor will advise you whether it is safe to wait or not. Because if your AMH and AFC go down, it's better to plan pregnancy early. Suppose your AMH and AFC are low, but still you are not in a position to have a baby. Then discuss the option of embryo and egg freezing with your fertility specialists and go ahead with that so that you can have the baby whenever you wish, when you feel that you are ready to have the baby. So in conclusion, the right time to have a baby ideally is early 30s or late 20s, and if you really plan to have a baby later than that, better to meet a fertility doctor and get yourself checked. Thank you.